On this new tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram direct messages not loading in less than 1 minute. Hello guys. So to fix this problem, it's actually very easy. All what you have to do is open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager, go to the apps. Now here you will find the apps that you have on your phone. Scroll until you find Instagram. When you find it, click on it. And now click on the storage, click on clear data, clear cache, go to the permissions, enable all the permissions, and then go to the data usage. Make sure to enable all the network access options from the mobile data to the Wi-Fi. After that, you have to do now only one thing, is go to the power usage details, turn off the power consumption alert and enable it again. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.